I wanted to talk a little bit about the different types of solder that we have and that we sell and use, and why our solder is coloured. So I colour this before selling it because I want to make it a bit easier for you to use in the studio. So the different colours represent the different types of solder. So sort of a traffic light with an extra cold one. So there's hard solder, medium, easy, and extra easy. So these melt at different temperatures. So if you wanted to solder a piece that had multiple joins on it, you'd start off with the hard and then you'd move to the medium and then the easy. And the reason you do that is that you don't want to melt your first joint. So having that in a higher temperature solder means that that solder won't melt when you move down to the next ones. So the way I keep my solder in the studio is, and you can do this with wire as well, you can absolutely colour your wire and keep it. So I have these German shears and I just cut my solder into pallions of lots of different sizes. These are little jars they're a reject shop, just little travel makeup jars, but they're perfect for solder. So I pre-cut a lot of solder and I pop it into these little jars, and then when I'm ready to solder, I've just got access to it and can have these little tiny pallions on hand. And then on the lid, I just write whichever type of solder this is. So this one is hard, and then I'll do a medium, an easy, and an extra easy. And that way I can grab it, I can see that that's red, and that's my hard solder, and that's ready to use.